Hello friends, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial we are going to see how to create a matte toolbar in our project, and in that matte toolbar we will be having logo and all the buttons like this, like products, categories and cards, and we can have login symbols here like this. So in this project we are going to use Angular material, but you can also use PrimeNG or Material Bootstrap, and there are many material designs available mm, in online, but I prefer mainly MD Bootstrap or PrimeNG or Angular material mostly. So let's start our tutorial and see how we can create a toolbar with all these. So coming to our code, first we have to install Angular material by using this command. We have to install Angular material. I have installed Angular material in my project. So another thing is we have to create a material module.ts like this. Instead of importing all mat buttons and everything in the app module, we can create that in another module called material module. So I have created all this and I have imported all this into this module, and I am going to export all this like this, and I will import this module in app module.ts so that uh, what are the components present here I can access those in app module. Now we have to import this demo material module like this so that I can get all the components here too. Now let's go to material module.ts. You can see here I'm importing mat toolbar module so that I can use this mat toolbar here. So I'm going to use this code. Now we'll go to app component.html. Then we have to write mat toolbar row. So I'm taking this. So you can see here it got created, and we can create some buttons here. I am using mat button here as I have already imported all these in material module. I don't want to import again, so I will use categories and then log in like this. So let's open our browser and see how it would look like. So you can see here we have created a span and three buttons: products, categories, and login. Now we will move all these to right corner by adding some style. You can see this style here. I will add this style here, and so that we can move that. I'm naming it as fill, and nap component.tss. We can paste this, and let's look into browser. So you can see here it is moved to right side. Now you can just use this fill anywhere, wherever you want. So, and another one is if you want to use any logos in your project, then you can use the matte icons. I will prefer these material design icons. Now we will use the account symbol for our login. I will place this in our project. Now you can see here. So you can see here you can use many logos or many icons. So like this we can create a matte toolbar. In our next project tutorial, we can see how to go to login components and how to create routings and how to create reactive forms, etc. And this is the end of this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.